Want to hear enemy footsteps clearly and win more gunfights? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to enable Loudness Equalization on your PC so your audio stays smooth, balanced, and consistent. First, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, then select Sound Settings. In the Sound Settings window, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. This will open the classic sound control panel. Now, under the Playback tab, find your speakers or headphones, then double-click to open Properties. Next, go to the Enhancements tab, then check the box for Loudness Equalization. Click Apply and then OK. And if you don't see the Enhancements tab, don't worry. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Scroll down and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio driver and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, at the bottom, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, select High Definition Audio Device, then click Next. An update warning will pop up. Click Yes. Once the driver installs, restart your computer. After restarting, go back to the Sound Control panel. You should now see the Enhancements tab. Check Loudness Equalization, then click Settings in the bottom right corner. Drag the release time slider to the shortest setting. This works best for most FPS games. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.